Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Figma profile step by step in 2026. First, open Figma and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open your account settings. In the Account tab, scroll until you find the Profile section. Here you can update your personal information. If you want to change your name, simply click on the name field, remove the existing name, and enter your new one. If you want to change your profile picture, click on your current profile photo or the Upload option. Select an image from your computer and wait a few seconds for it to upload. After making all the changes you want, click the Save Changes or Update Profile button to apply them. Once the changes are saved, your updated name and profile picture will appear on your Figma account. Your teammates will also see your updated profile information when you collaborate on projects. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Figma profile. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.